We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Wondabyne, waiting on for the final 2 MB7 passing through. As you may know, as you may heard, Wondabyne has made a decision to pull out of the Melbourne to Brisbane Intermodal freight services. So today will be the last time we'll see 2 MB7, as the current Wondabyne intermodal freight services will be under new management in 2018. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoy the final 2 MB7 passing through Wondabyne. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we should have something coming around the bend at Wondabyne. This is it! The final 2 MB7 LDP009 and LDP002. This is the very train that left Melbourne for the last time yesterday, and it's a very short one too. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is the final 2 MB7. A little bit shorter than usual. So, sadly, that was the final 2 MB7 heading from Melbourne to Acacia Ridge in Queensland. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you at Wondabyne. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.